Modern farming refers to using advanced technology and innovative techniques to improve crops and livestock farming. You know, modern farming is way better than the traditional farming that our mothers and fathers of the old actually did. And also, modern farming for beginners should prioritize soil health, that is the health of the soil. Also, beginners also need to start small. You know, as you are a newbie or somebody going to the system, you don't necessarily need to start big. You should start small so you can be able to understand the step by steps to follow, so that you shouldn't make an expensive mistake. As a beginner, you should plan your finances and also leverage on social media for marketing. These are very important things to note. Essential advices for beginners. We have some essential advices for beginners, and such are: 1. Gain experience. Work for an established farm at least, so that you can be able to gain some certain knowledge, like the feed knowledge, which is something that is important for you to be able to grow in the space. Or you find a mentor to learn practical skills. You know, I always say this: you need to have a mentor, whatever field you are, so that this person has enough knowledge to give to you, to pass to you. So it's necessary that you have a mentor who can direct and guide you in that space, so that you shouldn't make an expensive mistake. Another essential advice for beginners is focus on marketability. Research what local markets want before planting. This is very important, because you don't just go to your farm and plant anything you just want to plant. No, like they say, run a survey in your locality. Know what people actually buy and sell in that locality. Know what people really purchase, what they consume. Then you can be able to give the best decision to go to your farm and plant what these people need, not planting what you know that your locality don't consume or doesn't really have market in your locality. You need to understand what your locality really needs, what they demand. Then that is the best product for you to plant in your locality. So you actually need to note this, because it's very important. Also, another essential advice for beginners is continuous learning. Study modern techniques like vertical farming and permaculture to improve sustainability and reduce operational costs. So these are very important essential advices to beginners, most especially those that are aspiring to come into the agricultural space. You need to take note of all this, because they will be a guide for you. You know, somebody who is not knowledgeable enough, doesn't have the enough knowledge to embrace this journey, won't do well, because he or she lacks knowledge. But somebody who equipped his or herself with enough knowledge will do well. We definitely do well than somebody who doesn't have knowledge at all. But though you being knowledgeable doesn't give you the guarantee that you must be successful, yes, but it makes you, it puts you at a certain level that you will likely be successful, or you will likely succeed than those that doesn't have knowledge about the whole thing. So it's very good you understand all this and position yourself so well to succeed in it.